Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a new project that I'm going to be working on. So here is the Caddy Light 11.5 V2. It's just for my golf clubs. You just strap it in, and then you can push it. There's like a brake and stuff, but that's not the point. The point is I wanted to add some stuff to this so that, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to mod it, because why not? So, so far the only thing it has on here is a umbrella holder, but that's pretty standard. And it has this thingy for your phone or whatever, some golf balls. This is where you put your scorecard. So what I was thinking is I want to try to find, I want to add a little mount here so I can put a fan on top of here that points at me that I can turn on and off. I'm also going to use one of my older projects where I 3D printed an enclosure for a portable charger. I'm going to use that to power it, and that can go in here, or maybe I'll mount something that hangs under here as well that is like a little shelf to put the battery on, and hopefully this fan will be battery charged. And then, or USB powered, I mean, but it will work off portable chargers. And then hopefully, I'm gonna try to add like a little shelf here so I can maybe put a speaker, even though you're really not supposed to listen to music while you're playing golf, because that's just completely, I guess that's just something you don't do. I don't know any other way to put that. But who knows, maybe I'll just for fun, or you could put your phone there, a little shelf like that. And then I want to try to figure out a way to like add, so I'll have clubs here, so hopefully it will weigh that down. And then maybe I could add a little like hook somewhere right here, and then hang a tiny little cooler from it. So that, I think that would be pretty cool to do that using 3D printing and some other stuff. So that is the plan, and I will come out with another video in like a couple days, maybe a week, that will hopefully have part of this done. I'm going to work on the fan first that will go up here because I think that's the most practical and it's easiest, so I want to get it done first, and then I'll go from there. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.